Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Gold notice first weekly gain to stop 3 weeks of bleeding by Bharani Krishnan. Investing.com, gold had its first weekly gain in 4 as the dollar retreats further on Friday from its bigs early in 2 decades, allowing billion to somewhat reinforce its standing as a safe haven. The benchmark gold future contract on New York's COMEX December settled up $8.40 or 0.8% at 1,728.60 per ounce. For the week, it gained 0.3% after a cumulative 5.2% loss over 3 previous weeks. The dollar index, which pit itself against 6 major currencies led by the euro, slid for a third day in a row, reaching a low of 108.35 from Wednesday's 20-year high of 110.79. The greenback slid even as Federal Reserve officials pushed on Friday for another outsized rate hikes to keep inflation down when the central bank meets on September 21. Gold is higher as the historic run higher in the dollar appears to have run out of steam, said A.D. Moya, analyst at online trading platform OANDA. It seems Wall Street is getting comfortable with the idea of another 75 basis point rate hike by the Fed. The US should have another significant rate hike this month to curb inflation, Fed Governor Chris Waller said Friday, with one of his most hawkish colleagues, James Bullard, suggesting a third straight 75 basis point increases. The Fed has raised rates by 225 basis points in 4 increases since March, with two back-to-back 75 basis point hikes in June and July to curb runaway inflation. U.S. prices have been growing at around 4 decade hikes since late last year, although the closely watched Consumer Price Index, or ACE or CPI, slowed to an annualized rate of 8.5% in July from a peak of 9.1% in June. The next CPI reading for August is due on September 13. The Fed's target for inflation is a mere 2% a year, and it has vowed to raise interest rates as much as necessary to achieve that. Gold's Fed could be determined after this next inflation report, Moya said. If consumer prices come in harder than expected, gold might see ceiling pursue target the $1,680 reason. A sharp declaration with pricing pressure might only provide a modest boost higher of gold. Economists have continued the that the Fed could end up pushing the US into a deep economy with its sharpest rate hike in 4 decades, saying the high-flying housing sector and on time, a bullion stock market could be major victim. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.